Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday the 12th of September 2023. So big tech best, Bitcoin battered as event risk ridden week looms. I think they're talking about the CPI numbers coming out there, which it says their inflation expectations jumping. So what they're talking about is it going from 3.2 to 3.6 there, which you can see. So that's what's obviously discussing there. Still, let's have a look at the markets for yesterday. It's going to be a whistle-stop tour this morning. The markets were range-bound during yesterday after the initial move to the upside. So let's have a quick look. And kicking off with the Dow, you can see the market was up yesterday. Above the 5-bar moving average, we're green again, but we're struggling with the 50 EMA on the overnight. If you look at the 30-minute chart, you'll see what I mean about sideways. The market yesterday morning was even sideways, spiked up when the Dow opened, then dropped down, and then is now stuck in the trading range. The market needs to get back above the DP in order to move higher. In the German DAX, also moving higher as well, up to the 50 EMA, up on the overnight as well. 30-minute chart, well, this is what I was talking about. That's the sideways move, very, very sideways yesterday. Managed to break out towards the close of the Dow in the early evening, but the market sideways above the DP and heading for the high. The market currently oversold and moving to an overbought situation overnight there. S&P 500, similar picture, except the market's above the 50 EMA, sideways overnight as well. And in the 30-minute chart, moving up in the morning, down in the afternoon, and then consolidating before then moving back. So the S&P is still performing quite well there. The FT100 also, as you can see there, up. Still struggling with the 89 though. It traded through it, but then came back and is now looks poised to actually have an attempt to go through. We can see yesterday morning the market up, and then we sold off down to the close, and then back up to the R1 there, where the market has been sideways, just sitting above the DP, and we've got the high just above it there. In the US dollar, as it said in the news, this was down sharply yesterday, but it's back up on the overnight, waiting for those CPI numbers out tomorrow. So let's have a quick look at the metals before we finish. Silver allowed to move up yesterday, but already coming off on the overnight, as you'll see here. So up in Asia, back down, as I said, in the London session. Same thing again, up in Asia, back down for the Asian session. Will be the order for today. Gold also up yesterday, but down overnight, and you'll see there as well, stuck in that sideways range. Again, up in Asia, slightly up in Asia, London fix, market down. So again, same pattern for the metals. And finally, the gold silver ratio. We can see that we were down yesterday and slightly down on the overnight, but we're still moving higher. We just need those inflation numbers for tomorrow. Okay, that will do it for today. It's No News Tuesday. Again, apart from the, let me just recap it, we've got the unemployment numbers from the UK at 7 a.m, but otherwise there's no other news until 10 a.m. when we get the economic sentiment from Germany, which will help the DAX, I suspect. But other than that, there is no other news. The market waiting for the CPI numbers out tomorrow. Okay, that's it for this one. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the